We were parked in a beautiful spot, but a foul stench from our RV toilet completely ruined dinner. Choosing the right black tank treatment is a nightmare. Do you go chemical, enzyme, or drop in? Pick the wrong one, and you're dealing with clogs, false sensor readings, and awful smells. I decided to test the top contenders to save you the headache. Today, we are counting down the best RV black tank treatments on the market. Stick around until the end, because my number one pick completely eliminated our odor problems for good. 7. Happy Campers Treatment. When I first heard about this product, I was incredibly intrigued because it promises to be completely organic, environmentally friendly, and utterly devoid of any harsh chemicals or masking perfumes. I decided to test it out during a week-long trip through a rather warm climate. The packaging is straightforward, providing a scoopable powder that you mix with water before flushing it down your toilet. It uses a highly concentrated blend of natural minerals and micronutrients to tackle waste and neutralize the odors right at the source, which sounds like the perfect solution for eco-conscious travelers looking to maintain their tanks naturally. The application process requires you to fill the toilet bowl with water, drop in a scoop of the powder, and agitate it until it dissolves before you flush. Once inside the tank, the formulation goes to work by eliminating the bad bacteria that cause those awful smells, replacing them with beneficial bacteria that digest waste. For the first couple of days, the treatment actually worked exactly as described, leaving the bathroom smelling like absolutely nothing, which was a huge relief. It handled standard bathroom usage relatively well, and I appreciated that it didn't leave behind any artificial floral or citrus scent that often clashes with the natural environment. However, the biggest drawback I experienced with Happy Campers is the physical nature of the powder itself. If you do not spend an extensive amount of time mixing and stirring it in warm water before flushing, it has a terrible tendency to clump together and cake up. I found myself spending way too much time trying to dissolve little rock-hard chunks of the treatment in the bowl, which completely defeats the purpose of a quick and easy maintenance routine. 6. Unique RV Digest Extra Strength. Moving away from the annoying powders, I want to try a liquid formulation that promised serious waste digestion without the mixing hassle. Unique RV Digest is a bioenzymatic treatment that comes in a liquid form, designed specifically to break down solid waste and absolutely liquefy standard toilet paper. The company claims that their proprietary blend of bacteria is strong enough to prevent those dreaded pyramid plugs from forming directly under your toilet, so I naturally had to put to the test on our next family outing to see if it lived up to the hype. Pouring the liquid into the tank is a breeze compared to scooping powders, and it immediately gets to work lining the walls of your black tank. The enzymes act as a catalyst, breaking down the complex molecular bonds of human waste and toilet tissue, turning everything into a manageable liquid state that flows out effortlessly when it is time to dump. I was genuinely impressed with how clean the water looked coming out of the transparent elbow joint during the dumping process, proving that the digestion aspect of this treatment is completely legitimate and highly effective for maintaining clear plumbing lines. But here is where the product seriously tested my patience during our trip. Unique RV Digested Extra Strength requires a massive amount of water in the tank to function properly, which is a major drawback if you prefer to boondock or camp without hookups. The instructions practically demand that you keep the tank heavily diluted, meaning we were filling up our black tank far faster than usual just to accommodate the treatment's thirst. 5. TankTechsRx Probiotic. This product approaches black tank maintenance from a completely different angle, utilizing a probiotic formula rather than traditional enzymes or harsh chemicals. I was fascinated by the premise that you are essentially cultivating a living colony of beneficial microorganisms inside your tank that continuously adapt and mutate to consume whatever organic matter is present. Testing this treatment meant changing my entire dumping routine, but the unique scientific approach promised to permanently eliminate odors and aggressively digest the worst sludge buildup imaginable over time. The way this probiotic liquid works is genuinely impressive once you understand the science behind it. You pour a small amount into the tank, and these microorganisms immediately begin to multiply, creating a massive army that coats the walls, the sensors, and the bottom of the holding tank. They do not just break down the toilet paper and waste. They actively consume the foul-smelling bacteria, replacing the toxic gases with odorless carbon dioxide and water. Over the course of a 2-week trip, I noticed that our tank was significantly cleaner during the dump process, and the fluid flowed out with incredible ease. What makes TankTechsRx truly stand out is its ability to keep working during long-term storage, which is an absolute game-changer for seasonal campers. Unlike other treatments that stop working once they run out of fresh waste to consume, these probiotics go dormant and then wake right back up the moment you start using the RV again. It completely eliminates the need to aggressively flush out the tank before winterizing, saving a massive amount of time and water when putting the rig away for the season. 4. Walex Bio-Pak. After spending so much time measuring out liquids and trying to dissolve stubborn powders, I wanted to test something that prioritized sheer convenience above all else. The Walex Bio-Pak comes in the form of water-soluble drop-in pods, which immediately appealed to my desire for a completely mess-free grab-and-go solution. I took a bag of these on a chaotic weekend getaway with a full camper, eager to see if a simple toss-in packet could actually handle heavy usage without requiring any extra thought or preparation on my end. The magic of the Bio-Pak lies in its incredibly potent enzyme formulation, neatly wrapped up in a dissolvable film that vanishes the second it hits the water. You simply drop one pod into the toilet, flush it down with a bowl full of water, and let the pre-measured enzymes go to work. These pods are specifically formulated to digest both waste and rapid dissolve toilet paper, ensuring that everything in your tank breaks down into a fluid state to prevent any frustrating clogs or backups during your trip. One of my absolute favorite things about this product is the remarkably fresh alpine scent that fills the bathroom immediately after dropping the pod in. It provides an instant blast of odor control that covers up any lingering smells while the enzymes begin their slower digestion process in the background. I was initially worried that the pod casing might not dissolve completely and could potentially gum up the dump valve, but it broke down flawlessly every single time, leaving absolutely no trace behind in the tank. 3. Camco TST MAX. If you've spent any amount of time around RVs, you have undoubtedly seen these iconic orange bottles sitting on the shelves of every camp store in the country. I wanted to see if this legendary treatment actually lived up to its reputation. So I picked up a bottle of their ultra-concentrated, formaldehyde-free formula for a grueling cross-country road trip. Camco has been a staple in the industry for decades, and testing the TST MAX quickly reminded me exactly why so many veteran campers refuse to use anything else in their tanks. This liquid treatment utilizes a powerful blend of waste-adjusting chemicals and natural citrus extracts to tackle the two biggest problems in any black tank: solid waste and unbearable smells. Pouring just a few ounces into the toilet unleashes an incredibly pleasant, clean orange scent that instantly neutralizes any foul odors the moment it hits the water. Meanwhile, the advanced chemical formulation works aggressively to break down toilet paper and solid matter, ensuring that your tank drains completely clean without leaving any stubborn residue clinging to the walls. What truly impressed me about the Camco TST MAX during my testing was its remarkable ability to clean and protect the holding tank sensors. Anyone who owns an RV knows the immense frustration of a tank reading completely full when you know for a fact that it is empty, usually caused by toilet paper stuck to the sensor probes. The TST MAX contains a specialized lubricating agent that coats the inside of the tank, preventing waste from sticking and ensuring that your monitor panel actually displays accurate readings throughout your trip. 2. Liquified RV Toilet Treatment. This product has been making massive waves in the camping community recently, completely disrupting the market with a formula designed specifically by the experts over at Matt's RV Reviews. Naturally, I had incredibly high expectations when I cracked open a bottle for our latest family vacation. The creators set out to make the ultimate all-in-one tank solution that safely breaks down waste while providing top-tier odor elimination, and I am thrilled to report that it over-delivers on every single promise it makes. The liquid features a proprietary, completely biodegradable formula that is entirely safe for all RV plumbing, septic systems, and dump stations. It utilizes an aggressive bioenzymatic blend that targets human waste and rapidly dissolves all brands of toilet paper, which is a massive relief for anyone tired of buying expensive, specialized RV tissue. The fluid boasts a very pleasing, vibrant orange scent that is noticeably different from the harsh, artificial chemical smells found in cheaper brands, leaving the RV bathroom smelling like a high-end cleaning product instead of a porta-john. During my testing, I intentionally pushed the limits of our black tank by using slightly more toilet paper than strictly necessary, just to see how the liquefied treatment would handle the excess. When it came time to pull the dump valve, the flow was incredibly smooth and completely liquid, proving that the enzymes had successfully obliterated everything in the tank without a single hiccup. It gave me an immense amount of confidence, knowing that I would not have to deal with the dreaded back flush wand to clear out a stubborn paper clog at the end of our trip. 1. Unique RV Digested Ultra. We have finally reached the ultimate solution that completely ended my battle with horrific black tank odors and completely closed the loop on my search for perfection. After testing virtually everything on the market, I loaded up my tank with this ultra-concentrated, easy-measure formula for a grueling, month-long summer expedition. Unique took their already excellent bioenzymatic formula and amplified it to an unbelievable degree, creating a product that quite literally handles every single tank problem flawlessly with zero compromises. The first thing you will notice is the incredibly clever packaging design. The bottle features a built-in, easy-measure reservoir that allows you to squeeze exactly the right amount of the highly concentrated liquid without ever dealing with messy spills or separate measuring cups. The Ultra formula contains billions of advanced, waste-adjusting bacteria that immediately go to war the second they enter the black tank. These enzymes are specifically engineered to rapidly dissolve the toughest pyramid plugs, liquefy solid waste, and completely disintegrate regular household toilet paper in a matter of hours. What absolutely blew me away during testing was the sheer power of its odor elimination capabilities. Unlike the older formulas that struggled in the heat or took hours to work, the Ultra version utilizes an advanced odor-blocking technology that instantly neutralizes smells while the bacteria get to work. Even in the absolute worst of the mid-August heat, with the sun beating directly onto the side of the RV where the tank is located, the bathroom remained completely fresh and completely devoid of any sewage scent whatsoever. Beyond just breaking down waste and stopping odors, the unique RV Digested Ultra aggressively scrubs the internal tank sensors and lubricates the gate valve to ensure a flawless dump experience every single time.